series of agile architecture tips, we'll look at tip number 2 today, which is actually saying that as an architect you need to start thinking about services and not really reusable code. So we'll get to what actually this means. What it actually means is that it's sort of promoting reusable code in terms of classes, jars, vars, assemblies. You need to actually promote web services and enable your architecture in a service-oriented way. And service-oriented architecture can be enabled using REST over HTTP, XML over HTTP, WebSockets, web services, SOAP over HTTP, and simply enabling all of them on an enterprise service bus. So the fact is, when you start thinking about reusability in terms of classes and jars, it becomes tightly coupled, and it's quite difficult to extricate the functionality out of classes, jars, vars, and promote real reusability. So this is an anti-pattern that when you're dealing with tiny little library functionality such as algorithms and interest calculation algorithms or reporting, tiny little pieces of functionality, or date to year, year to date. So that kind of APIs, you can always put them as reusable vars and jars and reusable code pretty much. But when you're actually extrapolating functionality at an enterprise level in terms of business functionality, it's always a good practice to think services and not reusable code. So what you need to do is you need to abstract all of your core functionality which is there in your code and abstract them as web services. So you can have actually a queue in front of a business component which is facing the external world, or a web service, or a socket, or an adapter in front of your business component, and say this is my APIs and these are the API signatures and this is what I showcase it to the world. So the idea of this tip is to promote think services functionality for an architect instead of the code reusability, which actually is a failed anti-pattern, and it's quite difficult to extricate functionality from code. It's much easier to call web services and scale large and bring out large-scale functionality abstracted out of a system. So this is the substance of today's talk. Thank you.